Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I am going to show you how I take advantage of new coin and how I actually trade. Well, this will likely be a feature trading, but this is not a tutorial for feature trading. Feature trading has more features and has more explanation than this, but this is just how I basically trade new coin. So the reason why I say this is not feature trading is for experienced trader, and also it's very risky as well. So but this one, if you just follow my explanation and you pay attention to everything I say in this video, you should be also be trading the way I trade. So now here is on my dashboard. This is I'm using MEX as the exchanges, so you can use any exchanges like Bitgates, BingS, and also MEX as well. Any exchanges you are familiar to, but kindly know that some exchanges now are restricting us from withdrawing, so you have to be very careful before you deposit into any exchanges like KuCoin. Now if you go to KuCoin, you cannot withdraw, you can only deposit. So I don't know why. I think due to the ban from Nigerian government. So now this is on my MEX, and in every day there are a lot of coins, there are a lot of listening coins. So in my previous tutorial we actually talk about buying new coin before it's being listed in all these major exchanges, big exchanges. So what we take advantage then is we are going to buy it from the all these little exchanges that listed it before the big exchanges like Binance and also KuCoin or other exchanges list it. So but now, if we some of the coins now are listed the same day that all these big exchanges are listing, but at still the same time, some of these big exchanges, they don't actually list the futures trading that very time, but all these little exchanges, all these exchanges that I just mentioned now, always include the futures trading. So now that is why we are going to be taking advantage of the future trading. So what's actually futures trading? Futures trading is by predicting a price. Maybe if you want the long is you predict the price, that the price is going to go up, and you buy. Once the price shoots up, you are going to make a lot of profit. And if you predict that the price of the coin is going to come down, once you put short and the price of the coin comes down, you are going to make a lot of profit. And that is exactly why I took and how I took advantage of all these new coins. So I am not actually trading any old coin, I'm actually trading new coin. So I am actually trading new coin, and the reason why I'm always focusing on new coin is no matter what, any coin that is being listed, once it shoots up, no matter what, is going to shoot down. So that shoots down is what I take advantage of, and I am going to show you how I trade it right away from now. So now here is you first come to Now you first come to your new. Once you click on this new, you can find it in any exchanges, and you will see all the new coin. Like you can see all this IP USDT now is on perpetual. So now some coins are being listed. Not all coins have perpetual, which is future trading, but some that has. Once you search top here for that specific coin, you are going to see it, the feature and the layer. Let me show you how. For example, now let's search for this G7 that was listed yesterday. G7. So as you can see, it has two features. It has spot trading here, and it also has this futures trading. So now what we are interested in any coin that is being listed and there is perpetual beside it, which you are going to see right away on your home trading here. We are going to see it here. you are going to see it here. You are going to find it here. If there is perpetual and if there is no perpetual, that means we are not interested in trading that coin, except the coin is not being listed in any other exchange that the other exchange is going to list it. But let's just focus on this future trading, which is perpetual. I am i am only trading new coin. I'm not trading any other coin. All these coin that has been listed before, I am not interested in them. I am only trading new coin. So now, let assume this time as is reading, and is almost maybe 2 minutes for them to list it. All I need to do is to position myself, and what I position myself is I am coming right away to the futures trading, which is here, which is right away here. Once I click on future here, it's going to take me to future. And firstly, I will first send my money inside, and like maybe I want to use 30 to $50 to trade it, but let me just put it on $20. If you are using any account below $20, please, you have to be very careful and follow everything I'm going to say here. It's very important because it's it can make you a lot of money, and also it can lose you a lot of money. So this is what I do. Once you click on feature, now here we are on feature. The first step is, before the coin listing, you come to feature, come to this setting here, this 4x, this place. Once you come to this place, we are going to make adjustment. This is what leverage. So this place is very important. Like if you are using a small account, this place is very important. Before you go into any trade, in future trade, any new coin, you are going to be very careful. You are going to set this thing. So if you are using any account below, like any accounts like $20 up to $50, I will advise you to set it to 4x. Don't be greedy. You are going to, that still 4x, you are going to still make a lot of money with that 4x. And this, once you click on it, you will see the adjustments here. You can just type it by dialing 4x, 5x, something like that. Or you can make use of this, but I prefer you just type, you don't go above 5x or 4x. So to me, I always use 4x or 5x. All the I trade, I always use 4x, 5x, because I see, even if I know that the coin is going to go on my favor, but still, to just be in a safer side, and I make a lot of profits on it. So I will just press confirm, and after I press confirm, there is this specific place again, this place that is called isolated. This is actually, the meaning of isolated is the coin, your balance. Let's assume now you have a balance of $20, and you actually want to go to markets, go with sorry, you have a balance of $100, and you actually want to use $20 for the market. Once you, any amount you type, you type here, buying the coin here, maybe $20, $10, will only be the one that they are going to touch. So if the price go in your favor, you are going to make money. But if the price actually bounce back and eats up to then that $10 or $20, they're going to move you away from the market. So now what I do is I put this, since, so now this is a cross, and this is isolated. Now this cross is when you want to trade now, and let's say you have that $100, and the price go against you on the $10 you use to enter the trade. You will actually still be in trade, and once the price bounce back, you will be in profit. So it depends on how you select it. You can select isolated, and you can select the cross. So anyone you select, you just click on confirm, Now, the major one is, firstly, I will advise you, if you are using any fund within $20, please don't go here, this specific place here. You are going to adjust the amount of the price that you are going to come into trade. So sometimes I will only go to maybe 40% of my fund, 40%, and once I go on 40%, I will now click short. So once I go on 40%, I will now click short here. Short here. At the moment the coin is listed on perpetual, which is future, I will only click. Once I set my settings like this, I'll just, so now as you can see, let assume I want to take out this trade. I will only go into the trade with just $4. You see, $4.9, which is the 40% of my capital currently now on this mex. So if I add more capital to it, and I just 40%, that is what I use. So I'm not using anything above 40%. So this is just how I do the future trading. And in the Telegram platform, I think we discuss, and also we once I enter the position, I always drop the my position, and anyone who is interested will join us. So that this is how I enter my position. In my next video, we are going to talk about future trading, but this is not a future trading fully. This is not a full tutorial of future trading. Future trading has a lot to say, and it requires a time and proper knowledge for you to dive into future trading. But this is just how I take advantage of new coin. And if you follow this setting by going to this leverage, set it to 4x, don't go above that 4x. And also this your entering level, just set it like 40% or 35%, and immediately the coin is listed on perpetual. Once you set your settings like this, just click on short, and once you click on short, you will notice that the coin is going to draw down. And no matter what, no matter how the high the coin is, every coin withdraw we have a drawdown. So I will want you to go ahead and backtest all the new coin. You can go to market cap and check all the new coin, and check the exchanges. You will notice that every coin that is being listed, after the shoot up within 5 to 15 minutes, is going to shoot down very very heavily. And that is what I took advantage of, that shoot down, and take my profit. So see you in the Telegram platform.